GM guys, welcome back to another live at Voice of Crypto with David Blonde. And today we are talking about Bitcoin price crosses 65,000. And I know I got stopped on my last short position, but you know what? I'm actually happy because things are looking better today for cryptocurrency prices. And that's what we're going to discuss in a second. Before we move into anything, I would love to do our quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take any of this content as an investment advice. You must do your own market research as every investment and trading comes with risks. With that said, let's move straight away into the Bitcoin price because you know what? Things are looking super healthy. So I had a short position somewhere around here. And yes, I was super wrong and I got stopped. But as soon as we formed this massive floor, kind of I would say bullish cross on the other side. I was waiting a little bit to take that decision. So as soon as I saw we were going sideways for a little bit, I was like, you know what? I literally entered at this bar somewhere around 58,939. And surprisingly, we saw this massive elephant bar pushing up the Bitcoin price once more. But now, though, on the 4 hourly chart, we see a slightly bearish divergence, but I don't expect us to drop really. I don't. I think we're likely to retest 66K very soon. And, you know, if you zoom out, we literally had a fake out. Okay. We had a massive fake out on a BTC. If we're likely to go down, we would literally just smashed from here all the way down to 50K. But as we had a fake out and the support changed a little bit, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go back to my long. So if you haven't entered its position yet, it is your time to start looking for it. As I entered here, my stop loss is somewhere around 62K. So now if we go back to 62,000 and if I get stopped, you know, I will wait to open a new position. However, we could just retest and go up once more. Again, the next level to watch is 66,000. We have to break that momentum and potentially go to 68 and likely retest 70,000 or 72. So if you notice something here, we are always trading inside support and resistance, and I always say that. But of course, with these massive corporations and big players in a crypto market, we have to be careful and change the way we analyze the market. Okay. Moving back to Ethereum, it is very similar. Okay, I also got stopped on my short on ETH because I thought we were likely to go all the way down to 2,600, and then I got 15% out of this trade. But however, I'm back to my long. As I saw this consolidation in here, I was like, you know what, I'm literally gonna risk it. So right now, the Ethereum price is trading at 3,154, but I'm looking to trade at least the first take profit would be 3,400 USDT and is likely to go up, even having this bearish momentum on the 4 hourly outside. Okay, the ideal would be at least 3,600 looking into the weekly, but again, I'm trading on the 4 hourly chart to 1 hourly chart around these days. Okay, sometimes I move my trading decisions, such as trading on a daily chart. Sometimes I just like to trade on the 4 hourly, sometimes I trade in the 1 hourly chart, but mainly to 4 hour to 1 hour chart. Considering that we were in the bear market for nearly, I don't know, 1 year, it was really tough. So I know there were a couple of people very bearish on Bitcoin price and the crypto market itself, because if you look to the crypto market graph, it might seem like a little bit bearish. But guys, remember, we just left the bear market. And this is definitely the support to the second bull rally. Okay. But now it's my opinion. Even if we go down once more, I will just get stopped, exit with profit, and potentially short, because end of the day, my personal strategy, not financial advice, I like to accumulate Bitcoin and Ethereum as much as I can. Okay. And I'll just cash out whatever I need. But it is important to cash out as well. So moving into coin market cap, let's see what is playing out on coin market cap. Today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap is currently at 2.37 trillion, a 0.82 increase over the last day. Fear and Greedy Index, it's neutral at 58. So it is turning into the greed side, which gives me more, of a bullish feeling today. And the latest top community post was just in. Jack Dorsey blog says it will buy Bitcoin every month with 10% of its gross profit from BTC products. So one more bullish news. And moving to Cointelegraph, the latest news of today regarding BTC price. Back to extreme greed past 60K. 5 things to know in Bitcoin this week. Bitcoin climbs higher with funding rates in check as a BTC price support levels await a potential retest. Before we get into that, I'll just like to highlight as well that today is bank holiday, so we might just hold a little bit. Nobody's expecting a big move on a market when it's bank holiday. Okay, so let's keep that in mind. We could just go sideways a little bit. Bitcoin starts a new week with a bullish sentiment back on the radar as 64,000 returns. In a string comeback, BTC price action has managed to leave its latest swing lows far behind it, gaining nearly 8,000 versus the peak of the last week's sell-off. Despite some of those gains coming during the weekend, they proved to have staying power, and during the May 6 Asian trading session, bears are having no luck pushing the market back down. Okay, so they tried to push the market back down. The mood is faced considerably different into the second week of May, but increased greedy is already visible. Can Bitcoin and altcoins manage sustainably momentum toward all-time highs? This is the question that traders and analysts will pose after a trip to months lows and considerably flushing out of leverage. On exchange, things remain promising. With funding rates neutral and there are few signs of a mass desire to long BTC at current levels, should things take a turn for the worst. However, it is key support levels that will come in for a fresh test. These include the short-term holders cost basis and 100-day moving average, both classic bounce levels. Cointelegraph takes a closer look at the current state of Bitcoin as the average trader recovered from her rising start to the month. Bitcoin boosts triumphant after week's close. The weekend ultimately posed no threat to the Bitcoin boost, providing some unexpected upside that ended up holding into the weekly close. We have here the BTC USD 1-hour chart sourced by TradingView. This came in around 60,000 on a Bitstamp data from Cointelegraph and MarketSplorer Pro, and TradingView confirmed around 900 higher versus the end of April. While not a giant weekly candle, The performance represents an impressive return to form BTC USD, which saw a trip to 56,500 in the interviewing period. Unsurprisingly, the market observes a quietly optimistic swept the liquidity below that was built up over the past 2 months and bounced back quickly afterwards. Popular traded Dan crypto traders summarized in the past of the latest commentary on X will still in the bigger range, but at least got some upside momentum going into the next week. Strongly agree. Here is the BTC USD chart shows by Done Crypto Trades. Tony Severino, founder of crypto technical analysis platform CoinChartist, noted similarities between last week's snap drop and similar ones during the boot market. Every higher swing low in Bitcoin since November 2022 was a weekly hammer he revealed over the weekend. Is this time different? We have also the data from BTC USD chart sourced by Tony Severino, and once more, we know the hammer is a bullish sign. In prior posts, Severino added the price was attempting to reclaim the upper monthly Bollinger Band, something acting as support since February. This is potentially a positive development, he suggested. Here we have the BTC USD monthly return screenshot sourced by CoinGlass. Data from monitoring resource CoinGlass, meanwhile puts BTC USD up 5.8% in May so far, reducing overall second quarter losses to under 10%. Bitcoin price levels crystallize. Crypto market are notoriously flick, and an emerging trend can quickly fade, pulling sentiment down with it. If Bitcoin sees a change of trajectory, traders and analysts will be interested in seeing to what extent nearby support levels and succeed at limiting any fresh downside. Michael Van de Pope, founder and CEO of trading firm MN Trading, it's one of commented highlighting the significance of 60,000. Despite this level is offering a little consolidations to boot last week. Bitcoin above 60K and retail isn't here. He told Onyx followers about the relative lack of fanfare accompanying the market comeback. This range is completely fine as long Bitcoin holds above 60K. All coins slowly waking up. And we have the BTC USD chart sourced by Michael Van de Pope. As a Cointelegraph continues to report 60,000 coincides with several trend lines which have bind BTC USD since the bull market began in early 2023. These include the 100-day simply moving average SMA and the STH realized price, the aggregate cost basis of entities holding coins for 155 days or less. These two levels see at 60,650 and 59,920 as May 6, with the later figure provided by the statistics resource Look into Bitcoin. Here we have the Bitcoin STH realized price chart sourced by Look into Bitcoin. Interesting. In a research note on May 6, meanwhile, financial commentator Ted Talks Macro added the 50-day exponential moving average into the mix. The 50-day EMA stands at the 64K, where BTC is currently trading. A reclaim of that level is significant in defining the high time frame market structure, he explained. Momentum and trend traders pay attention to the 50 EMA when navigating the trend. And here we have the BTC USD one-day chart with the 50 AMA, the 100 SMA trading view sourced. Okay, so we're literally retesting that and apparently bouncing once more to the upside. More US jobs data cast shadow over dollar. The upcoming week is relatively quiet when it comes to macroeconomic data, but recent events provide traders more than enough to monitor. The latest United States employment figure gave risk asset boost across the board late last week, something firmly on the radar for crypto. With the Federal Reserve increase, increasingly expecting to lower interest rates in the coming months, easing of financial conditions is becoming a question of not but if, but when. For Van de Pope, there is even a chance of a quantitative easing QE making a reference a return to the Fed, increasing available liquidity. Very significant chance that most of the pain is already in for all coins, he argued. Upcoming week is going to be an interesting one. Likely, we'll see some more upwards momentum as Friday showed the way for the dollar and Bitcoin with terrible economic data. QE is coming soon. And here we have the US dollar index one-day chart sourced by TradingView. The US dollar is trying to take a hit on the jobs data with the US dollar index declining precipitously to spike it to the lowest level since April 10. Attention will first be focused on jobless claims data when it comes to Fed rate cut timing. These two on May 9. Leverage ignores BTC price rebound. The atmosphere on derivatives market is notably calm and Bitcoin approaches 65,000. But like sentiment, this could change in an instant. Current data show practically neutral funding rates for Bitcoin, which is per trading sheet decent trader a reflection of speculators licking the wounds. And here we have the crypto funding rate heat map screenshot sourced by CoinGlass. Bitcoin funding rates have returned to a more neutral state after going negative at the end of last week on an X post confirmed. The dip below 60K, the dip below 60K spooked a lot of traders before price rebounded. Others describe it funding rate as a still healthy after witnessing a massive reset on the way to 56,500. Let's hope it can stay that way for a healthy next legging up. Done crypto trades added. And here is the crypto and fiat index screenshot sourced alternative by .me. Cursory look at the crypto fiat and greedy index provides potential feed for through along with the BTC price recovery has come a snapping back of sentiment from neutral to great, with extremely great just around the corner. Yes, I agree. The index, which is a lagging indicator pattern, is currently at 61 bar 100 versus 43 bar 100 on May 2nd. Mining difficulty, Beverly G drawdown from record high. 64,000 is not quiet enough to allow Bitcoin to avoid a difficult drop at the next automated readjustment on May 9. The second readjustment on the new difficulty epoch is currently predicted to see it decrease by around 1.3% per data monitoring resource btc.com. We've got here the Bitcoin network fundamentals overview data sourced by btc.com. Difficulty is not less at the all-time high, a fate mimicked by hashed rate as miner digest April's block subsidy halving. Raw data from mining pool stats confirm last week on Telegraph reporters miners' ongoing resilience, showing no signs of capitulation despite market volatility. And here we have the Bitcoin hash rate raw data screenshot sourced by Mining Pool Stats. This article does not contain investment advice or recommendations. Every investment and trading moves involves risk, and readers should conduct their own research when making a decision. I agree. But we saw multiple times on the latest news that everybody is looking into 60K as the next level. As I mentioned, I am also watching 60K, and we better keep our eyes on it. Um, Yes, guys, if you have any questions, kindly leave at the chat and I would love to answer. If you want me to do TA in any altcoins, in anything, please let us know. Do not forget to join our Telegram if you like to track everything about crypto, and you should. And Mohammed mention good, how much is the Bitcoin price? The current Bitcoin price right now is at 63,933 USD. Okay, moving back to cryptocurrency prices, top gainers and losers. Let's have a look on it. Thank you for interacting, by the way. We love to interact with our audience. So moving back to CoinMarketCap, today's top gainers and losers, we see a massive change here on the altcoin side, guys. I believe altcoins are about to skyrocket, and we should definitely look into the best ones to start trading today. Today, top gainers is one of my personal holdings, not financial advice. WorldCoin, currently trading at 6.34, has gone up 18.24%. Second place in and I know a lot of people are making free money from these airdrops, currently trading at 0.91. And I think we're likely to see in a dollar very soon. Is up 14.24%. For AI, currently trading at 2.44 and is up 10.70%. What else? We have Gala moving a little bit. I think Gala is an interesting blockchain to have a look on. Currently at 0.04 cents, is up 7.55. We have Render Jupiter. Haba. I think this one, H-bar. It is interesting to look at this coin. I think this one is likely to go to $1 very soon. But now, do not invest what you can't afford to lose. And if you want trading small coins, you know what I always say. Be careful because they move really crazy. Solana, I would love to see Solana back to these prices around 200. So currently up 5.21%. Not bad, but I love to see Solana trading at least at 250 very soon. We have see Chile Tone coin from from Telegram. And I think this project is also one of the greatest out there on the market. Near Protocol, Arbitrum, and loads more. And overall, it's just nice to see how altcoins are waking up. And I believe that massive profits are about to start in altcoins. Top losers today, we have Helium. And I think it could be an interesting one to start looking for the next pump. Okay, commonly trading at 5.5054 is down 2.28%. So now on the top loser side, on a daily, we don't have anything that deep. Like I like to buy 20% down. We don't really see that. But however, it is interesting to see that we can potentially catch these ones to profit from their pumps. Okay. Core at the second place, commonly trading at 1.94 and is down 1.52. So nothing crazy really when it comes to deeps today, because I think everything is awaking. What I like to do, as usual, we're going to cryptobubbles.net to the weekly, and here we can find the juice. So today, better pick would be Crown. Okay, 17.4% down, or even Maneki. I hope to be pronouncing this right. We have COS that is down 20%, but I think this one, Maneki, is the one to be longing today. But now I am personally not longing this meme coin. I believe it's a meme coin. If you want to long something more solid, I would say XPLA, carrot, 10%, 0.5. However, let's see on a daily. Oh my God, we see meme coins literally taking over the place. Today's top moving on NURB. I don't even know what that is. Okay, so yeah, guys, like it's crazy to see meme coins moving back and different new ones. So make sure to do your own market research. Okay. With that said, I will leave the live today. If you have any questions, please drop on a chat. I would love to answer. Don't forget to join our Telegram, visit Voice of Crypto website for more. Okay. And if you are trading meme coins, make sure to double check and do your own research because they move really crazy. However, thank you so much for being with us, and I'll see you tomorrow at Voice of Crypto.